Hi family, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to make strawberry sauce for the cheesecake that I made earlier. And these are the ingredients. You need some strawberries. You need vanilla flavoring and some sugar. Now you're going to need the amount of sugar and the amount of vanilla flavoring according to the amount of strawberries and sauce that you're going to make. I'm going to take the strawberry. I've already washed them. We're going to cut the top off and we're going to slice them in half, or smaller if you like. Let's cut them in smaller pieces so they'll cook down easier, I guess. That's how you do that. I'm going to cut these up and I'm going to show you what we'll do next. Okay, I've cut up my strawberries. I'm going to pour them into the pan that I have on medium. And I'm going to add some sugar. I'm going to let it heat up and cook down. And add some more sugar. See how they're starting to cook down? And kind of chop them a little bit. And they're going to cook down more and more and start turning into a syrup. Just keep watching it. Don't walk away and let it burn. See how it started to boil? I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and cover it. And make sure you taste it to make sure it's as sweet as you like it. See, they cooked down and gotten really soft. But you're going to let them cook down some more. And then what we're going to do, you can puree them in your processor or whatever you use, like a processor, or you can take them, put them in a bowl, and kind of mash them around with your fork. That way you'll have some strawberry texture. It's up to you. But either way it goes, I'm going to show you with a fork. And while it's still cooking on low, I'm going to take some of them out. And I'll show you how you just mash them around with a fork. Oops. Smash them around. Oops, you can't see it, can you? I want you to get a good view. And they're still going to cook down and break apart somewhat the longer you let them cook. And I'm going to get some more and I'm going to do the same thing. You can keep some texture, or you can break them down as much as you want. Be very careful while you're doing this because this is sweet, like candy, and if you get it on your skin, it's going to stick and it's going to burn. So, do it with care. Now here's how you want it to be. It still has a little texture. Still has strawberries. It's not pureed. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. We're going to set it aside and let it cool. Oh yeah, and here you are. Cheesecake with strawberry sauce. And to the sauce, I added some lemon juice, just a couple of squirts, and I've also added some lemon zest. I usually buy the lemons by the 3-pound bag, and they kept going bad. So what I did was, let me let you see. I took my lemons. Now when I get them, I take them and I zest them and I freeze it, and it's still just as flaky. Where are you? It's just as flaky as ever when you keep it in the freezer. But I added a little bit of zest and the lemon juice from the lemons. I just bought one of these ketchup bottles, and I squeeze all my lemons when I get them now so that I don't waste them. But here you are, and it's delicious. And if your sauce ends up a little too thick, just add a little water. That's all, to thin it out. You might even want to add some caramel sauce. Hold on, let's add a little caramel. Just a little bit sweeter. And there you have it, my friends. Thanks for hanging out with me. I enjoyed your company. I hope you enjoyed mine. And don't forget to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for them. Pray for you. Pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, be well.